All right, good morning. Welcome back to Slim's Automotive Repair. We got part two of the Chevrolet Sonic recover on this seat after we finished stitching it up. It didn't turn out too bad. Let's roll that over for you guys so you can see real quick. This was the part that was ripped. As you see, no longer ripped. The seat belt divot here was all ripped out. Everything's back. Now we do everything by hand here. No machinery, no nothing. This took me about, I'm going to say about 2 hours to strip all those hog rings off, get everything stitched up real quick and ready to snap down back in place. So all in all, not too bad, not too terribly long. Man, you do this on a Saturday. But here we go. So what you want to do, again, if you didn't see part one, these are your hog ring pliers. You can get them on Amazon, eBay, but I suggest you support your local feed and tack shop, hardware store. They're going to have them. And for the rings, because you have to cut some are rusted, some ain't going to work no more, they get stretched out. You go ahead and buy Decker's Hump Hill pig rings, made in the USA. They strong, they ain't just gonna bend and rip out once you get people sitting and jumping around back there in that seat. With that being said, we're gonna go ahead and uncover this so we can get our first ring put in. Now let's get you repositioned. See right there, get a little light on this subject. There we go. What you're going to be looking for when you set it back down is this exposed piece of wire. Oh, big fat hand. It's going to be right there. So you're going to match that spot where it's notched out down here. Let me see. There we go. If you can see that right there where I'm pointing, you'll see where it's exposed. Right there. And we're going to go ahead and turn that light off, our hog ring. I could save a couple of these, so I'm just going to go ahead and reuse them. And twist it sideways. So you're going to go through this wire up top, and then you're going to go ahead and push down to that connecting wire underneath. Give it a good squeeze, just like that. And it's secure. You're going to want to go ahead and do that to every piece that you see. We're going to pick you up here, and on this wire, running around the length of this seat, you're going to see those exposed spots just like that right there. And you're going to match it up with the exposed spot down there where that wire is. Again, try to be a little bit careful because these wires that are in the foam are only held in there by a hot press into the foam. But other than that, we're just going to get to work and get this thing all set and tied down with these rings. And I hope you guys found it informative. Any questions, drop me a line. I try to respond to as many comments as I got, as many as you guys leave. And as always, be blessed, have a great day, and I appreciate the view. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and all that other good stuff. Have a blessed day.